Hi everyone. Today we'll learn Kafka setup in our local machine. So I'm going to do a setup for MacBook. You can follow similar commands for Windows as well. So the first step is going to the Kafka home folder. You can go to Kafka home folder. Like here I have Kafka home. Okay. So I can go to the folder, and then inside the bean I have all the commands that I want to run. Here inside this bean folder I have the Kafka server start.sh and other sh files like Zookeeper files. You can see here Zookeeper start.sh. Okay, if you are on Windows, you can go inside this folder, inside this Windows folder here, and run the bat files. Okay, if you are on Windows, go inside this and run the bat files. For Windows, what file you need to run? There should be a Kafka uh, server start.bat. Yeah, so this is the bat file that you need to run on Windows. Okay, since I am running on Mac, so I will not run this file. I will not go inside this folder. I will run Kafka server.sh file. Okay, so step 1 is we need to go to the Kafka home here and open terminal like new terminal at the folder. Now the first step is we are going to run Zookeeper server, because Zookeeper is the metadata server for Kafka, so we need to start Zookeeper server. Okay, so let me copy the commands from here. We are on step number 2. We are going to run Zookeeper server start.sh. If you are on Windows, you will go inside bean, inside Windows, and then you will run Zookeeper server start.bat file. Okay, the property file name will remain same. Okay, so I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. Let me make it full screen. Okay, so you can see hope you are able to see my screen. Config zookeeper.properties bean zookeeper server.start.sh. Okay, so let me start this now. Okay, so we have started the Zookeeper server. We'll go to the next step. By default, Zookeeper server will run on this port 2181.